bringing you this look right here, inspired by James Charles himself. He just posted this up on his Instagram. It's called Lovesick. He's using his new palettes for this, so I thought, why not try to get this look with the old palette, the old colorful palette that Morphe had with the 35B palette, and you'll see if I succeeded or failed at it miserably with that palette. Without rambling on further, let's just jump right into the video. So my base is done. Alright, we're gonna skip past that. Today I'm going to be recreating this look by James Charles. So I'm going to zoom you guys in a little bit, bring you guys even closer so that you can see all the little misfortunate details of my face. So first I am going to put some concealer down, and I'm using my MAC NC42 Studio Fix Concealer. Okay, so now that that's done, I am going to go into the Morphe palette. This, like I said before, this is 34B, and I'm going to take this color right here, and I'm just going to use a nice fluffy brush just to dust that color on to the areas that he has on there as well. So we're going to take this color from the Morphe 35B palette, and we're just going to place that all over our lid. We're just going to put that under there. Alright, so because we have to get it to look just like James Charles, and I do not settle for less, and this is not how I wanted it to look like, I am going to resort to my last option. I'm going to use this right here. Do I have it upside down? Yes, I do. This is from Peaks Cosmetics, and it's a liquid lip, but it has a little bit of a gloss to it, so I swatched it on my hand. I'm going to try that off camera on one eye, and I'll be right back. Alright, so guys, we have a winner! I'm thinking this is like more of like a red lip gloss type thing going on. So if you have a red lip gloss, girl, use that thing. So I'm taking the travel size version of it that I got in the mail in my package. So I'm just going to use that, put it directly on my lid. Okay, so I did that. It's looking super good. So I'm going to work on the bottom lash line, and as you can see, it's not as red as the top, and I want it to have that same effect, but I don't want to use that glossy lip product under my eye because that's a more sensitive spot, and I feel like the gloss has a lot more chemicals than a regular lipstick does. So I'm just going to take one of my red lipsticks. I'm going to put it on a brush, and I'm just going to apply it on there. Alright, so now that we got the glossy gloss going on, I'm going to put on some mascara on the bottom lash line because that's what it looks like he has. We're using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I'm just wiping off as much excess as I can because I don't want it to be too, you know, too mascara-y. That's not even a word, is it? Alright, so now that we're done with the eye look, basically, we're done with that. We're gonna work on the rest of our face, and the rest of the face is pretty easy. We do have hearts on there, but I don't have heart stickers, so I'm gonna find a different way of putting the hearts on there. I'm gonna take that same pink that we used earlier, this one right here. We're just gonna go ahead. Now I'm gonna go into the red. I'm going to take it and I'm going to put it mainly on the bottom where my contour is. So I'm gonna go into Juvia's Place. I'm gonna take that red right there. Really dig in there. Look at how red that is. And hopefully this shows up. But I'm gonna take this color right here from Peaks Cosmetics. I'm just gonna take that and I'm going to take the color in the center. Can y'all see that? Can y'all see that? It's like a very nice silvery color. I'm just using my fingers to take it. And I just put it right here for a highlight, like a really blinding highlight. I'm gonna take this Anastasia Beverly Hills palette and I'm going to take this color right here and I'm just going to create the hearts that way. Using NYX white liquid I'm using NYX white liquid liner to create the little heart up here. So I'm going to use this color right here because it's like a dark berry color. I'm just going on the outside of this. You don't have to do this. I'm just being extra and I'm probably going to make a mistake because of this. Okay, so first I'm going to take a foundation color and I'm just going to pat that all over my lips. It smells like peppermint. Put that in the center of our lip. Now I'm going to use this Tutti Frutti by Too Faced, what is that, Ruby Ripe. But yeah, this is the finished look of my James Charles inspired makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave me a thumbs up if you like what you saw and you saw what you like. Also hit that subscribe button. It's gonna be in this corner or this corner. I'm not sure which corner it's gonna be on. And yeah, thank you so much for tuning in and I'll see you next time. Bye! Mwah.